Hello everyone, we're going to take you through 131 DNA Detectives. This is the mini 1 version, and we're going to show you the teacher setup. We're going to walk you through the student actually doing the lab and then reading the results. So the first thing I'm going to do is, in my packet comes a mini 1 directions, and so I'm going to have these handy, but I'm going to walk you through these as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find my EcoRV and my HIN3, and I'm just going to centrifuge these down to make sure everything's at the bottom. About 30 seconds. All right, now that I have it spun down, I'm going to add 150 microliters to my HIN3 and my EcoRV. So I'm going to go ahead and open, start with the Eco, break the seal on it. And here's my dilution buffer. And again, 150 micros into there. The dilution buffer. I'm already set at 150. Top back on here. I'm going to add it. Okay, now that I have 150 microliters in my EcoRV, I'm going to put 150 into my HIN3. My HIN3, this is my buffer, 150. I'm going to put it in, and as it says, suck it up, put it back down, suck it up, put it back down, just to mix it. Get rid of my tip, and top back on. Before I start aliquoting, I have these set out and already labeled. So I have a 1 for missing person 1, a 2 for missing person 2, a DB for the dilution buffer. I have the EcoRV, the HIN3, and the loading die already labeled so that when I start to load them, they'll be ready to go. Okay, the next step is to take your missing person 1. You're going to aliquot 35 microliters into your microtube. That is marked 1. So double check, missing person 1, 35 micros. And cap it. And let's cap this as well. Missing person number 2 is going to go into the one that I have labeled 2. Dispose of the tip and cap it. Now I'm going to take my dilution buffer and I'm going to put 14 micros into the tube that's labeled dilution buffer. I'm going to cap both and set this aside. Okay, now I'm going to do my EcoRV. I'm going to open that one there. I'm going to grab my EcoRV and open this. I have this set at 14 micros. rid of the tip. Recap. Close this one. Now I'm going to do the HIN 3. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open my HIN 3. Set at 14 micros. And cap both. And lastly, we're going to add 30 micros of loading dye into the tube.